guys, nanubabaw kabalyan kung sa kayo po. Habi kay Mark, ang poreng Deoksu Palace girls. Thank you so much for assisting us.
So dito sa Deoksu Palace, in order natin is yung kanilang Deoksu Palace Special B. So it is good for 3 to 4 packs, pero I believe ito sobrang dami to for 3 to 4 packs. So meron tayong pumpkin soup, meron tayong tempura, kani salad, Deoksu gyoza, mixed grills. Ito yung pork and beef samgyeopsal and galbisal. Meron din tayong Deoksu Palace salads. Meron din tayong shabu-shabu. It's either beef or seafood. Meron din tayong Deoksu Palace seafood fried rice, which is ito yun. Yan. And meron tayong dessert and tea.
So just to take note guys, si Deoksu Palace po is not an unlimited samgyeopsal, galbisal, or shabu-shabu. So ang order po dito is either dun sa set meal nila or dun sa a la carte. Now, if you order just one a la carte, say for example, punta ako dito, order lang ako ng isang ramen guys. Pag-order ko ng isang ramen, you're gonna have an unlimited side dishes. So si Deoksu Palace po has 13 side dishes. If you take a look at this place right here, ito. Ayan. So imagine this seafood right here. It's unlimited. You have some kimchi, mixed greens, some beans, egg roll, potato salad, itong japchae. You're gonna have all of these guys unlimited, even if you order just one dish. So guys, when you go here, actually meron silang dining area doon, and they also have 3 VIP rooms. Doesn't necessarily have to a minimum order just for you to avail yung VIP rooms nila. Actually, if you just order, the room is available, pwede po kayo kumain dun sa mga VIP rooms nila. So this is very perfect for a small family gathering.
Even a business meeting.
A business meeting. So first off, I'm gonna try is yung kanilang seafood shabu-shabu. So of course, mas masarap guys, dun na natin siya tikman.
Seafood shabu-shabu is good talaga for, lalo na ngayon maulan.
Wow!
At the same time, napaka-init na sabaw. Ang sarap.
Grabe Marks, one of the best shabu-shabu guys.
Yes. Taste naman natin syempre yung kanilang Deoksu Palace salad. So, it's a mix of everything. So, meron siyang shrimp, meron siyang egg, meron siyang mga vegetables, squid, octopus, and napakaganda ng presentation. Kuha tayo ng iba't ibang klaseng mix nila. Then, titikman natin. You know? So this is something new sa panlasa. Same time itong sauce nila. Beware lang yung sauce nila is medyo may kick ng konti. But at the same time, when you mix it, ang sarap niya. It complements yung mga seafood, yung egg natin, and yung mga vegetables.
We have special sauce, mustard sauce and bulgogi sauce. Mustard sauce is for adults. Super spicy po siya eh. So, nag-add po kami ng sauce na for kids. Kung meron kayong kasamang kids, bulgogi sauce. Yung sweet. Kung titingnan nyo siya sa umpisa, parang hindi po siya fried rice eh. Kasi on top, more on seafood po siya. Parang may surprise po siya na tinatago, yung mixed seafood fried rice.
So this time, this is Deoksu Palace seafood fried rice. Ayan guys, it's still steaming hot. From the name itself, it has seafood, no? Let me mention, meron din siyang crabs, shrimp, some mussels. Pinaka-base niya is fried rice. Ooh! That one's fresh, man. That is so fresh. Now let me taste yung kanilang fried rice. Wow. Yung squid meat, it's so tender guys, hindi siya bubblegum or rubbery. It's so soft. And then yung pinaka-base na fried rice natin, sobrang lasa.
syempre hindi naman natin pahuli yung kanilang mixed grill. Yan. One bite.
So part nung special B menu nila is itong kani salad. Of course, hindi mawawala yung mga mixed greens natin dyan, di ba?
So ako naman, syempre titingnan ko na yung tempura, which is part of din nung kanilang special B. Ayan.
So kayan guys, yung tempura nila guys, yung sizes ng mga shrimps natin, these are huge.
Deoksu Palace is not only Korean dishes, also Japanese po.
There you go, okay.
And we have sushis, maki, rolls like that, and soup, different kind of soup.
So isa sa mga favorite dishes ko ay ang mga sashimi. So dito meron tayong tuna at saka ng salmon. So let's prepare first our dip. So take note guys, this is not part of the special meal B. So ito po yung isa sa mga a la carte nila. Ayan. Okay, so let's try this. Melts in your mouth. Another one. This one, it's a tuna.
Maliban dun sa set meals nila, so meron din silang mga a la cartes dito. So this is tonkatsu. So as you could see, ang laki naman. You could also order this separate ng mga set meals nila.
Grupo po kayo, usually, di ba, sharing, like that. So, okay po siya sa mga group. Family, friends, if you have gatherings, pwede po tayo sa special. We have also party trays, good for 5 person also. Open po ang Deoksu Palace for pick up and delivery also. And we don't have delivery charge. We deliver within 7 kilometers, Porac, San Fernando, Sunset, Angeles, Balibago, Dawu, we can deliver. So we are open 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. and we are located at EG Building, Fil-Am Highway, Friendship, near stoplight going to Porac, Manibao.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy your tea and dessert.
Thank
Sige, Ma'am Rose. Wow, what an experience, Mark. What can you say about the place?
So the place is napakaganda. Medyo quite intimidating sa una.
A little bit.
Yeah, pero napakaganda ng serving,
Yes.
napaka-humble ng mga crew, and at the same time, napakasarap ng pagkain.
So I think this is a perfect place for your date. Yung mga VIP rooms nila, it's perfect for your family gathering.
Yes.
You have your own secluded place and you can enjoy amazing, great dishes dito po sa Deoksu Palace.
Yeah. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and visit Deoksu Palace.
There you have it guys. Thanks so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye. Bye-bye.